Hello friends, today we will do a quick unboxing of this latest smartwatch from Noise, which is ColorFit Nav and was recently launched during the Amazon Prime Day sale. So let's take a look. Here it is written Noise, here it's hashtag fitness everyday, and here is the model ColorFit Nav. Nav I think stands for navigation because it is a built-in GPS function smartwatch. This is how our smartwatch looks like. Here is the branding Noise. Let's move on to the specifications. The very first specification is GPS based activity tracking, the key highlight feature of this smartwatch. No other smartwatch gives this option in this price range. Next is 6-axis accelerometer. Next is cloud based watch faces, 4 days of battery life as per company claims, 1.4 inch colored touchscreen, IP68 waterproof, which is rain and sweat proof, based on Bluetooth 4.2 and requires minimum of Android 5, that is Lollipop, and iOS 9. Let's move on to some more detail. Here it's written brand Noise, ColorFit, product name ColorFit Nav. Color is stealth black. This smartwatch comes with two color variant. One is stealth black, the one I am having, and the other is the camo green. So here it is dimensions, weight 40 gram as the company claims, quantity, SKU, net content, imported and marketed. So country of origin China. Although the country of origin is China, guys, but Noise is an Indian homegrown brand based on Gurgaon. And more email support, contact, model ID, month and year of import. MRP here it is written 5,999, but it sold for a price tag of 3,999 and sold via Amazon. So at the bottom you can see we have to install the NoiseFit X app, and here is the QR code to scan, and it is both available on App Store and the Play Store. So without wasting any time, let me unbox it. So here it is, the Noise branding, this side, and here is the clip of our watch. This side and the watch also in the back. Nothing much. Noise ColorFit Nav user manual. Here is the manual. So here it is. Let me take this out. We apply the sticker. Here is the charging port, and here is the heart rate sensor. This is the side, and this is the stealth black watch. So let me quickly set it up and pair it first, guys, with the NoiseFit X app, and then we will move on. So guys, I have just finished setting up this device, and the first impression of this smartwatch is really impressive. Feels like a premium smartwatch. Let me take this out. Yes, here it is. See, let me move on to the features. Here we have stopwatch, guys. Contrast is very high, so just a second. Yes, we have stopwatch, timer, weather, workouts we get 10 sports mode, walking, running, outdoor cycling, indoor walking, indoor running, yoga, strength training, badminton, dance, walking, running again. So this one we can control music here, reminders, settings. We have sleep tracking, activity, what we get in activity, distance, steps, active minutes, calories, and much more detail. We can set alarms, breath tracking, heart rate. So I measured heart rate as 100 minutes ago, and it says 98 BPM. So we can change from dial face. Here we can get the weather update, and now we see how we can change the dial face. Just press and hold a particular dial face and just move on. See how much. This one looks best like an Apple Watch. Much more we can get here. This one looks like Windows OS, and see So now let's take a look at the app interface. So here it is, the Noisefit X app. You can see. Let me turn on the Bluetooth. It will connect shortly. Yes, see, connected. An app wants to enable it, allow. So here we get activity, leaders, watch face settings. In activity we get steps, active time, distance, calories, sleep, heart rate. All the activity data stored will be displayed here. Next is leaders. Here we got, let me reduce the brightness. Here we got body ranking and the world ranking. Just for nothing much there. From here we can also set the watch faces. Just choose your particular watch face you want to set and save it. See, it will be saved. Another option we get here is the custom background option. We can customize background according to our requirement. So see, plus we can custom photo customize from here. And gas company stated that they will be rolling an OTA update soon, after which we will be able to select from more than 100 cloud-based watch faces. So let's move on to the next, that is setting. Here we get settings and advanced, two options: auto sync, Google Fit. We can also pair this app with the Google Fit app and pair the device unit. We can choose from pounds and miles and kilograms and kilometers, heart rate monitor, preset sleep, inactivity alert, reminder, hand wash reminder. This is a new fresh option given in this smartwatch due to ongoing pandemic scenario. Notification, display notification, we can enable or disable notification from incoming call, missed call, SMS quick reply. Another option added here in this smartwatch. We can also customize it from here. See, we can write according to our self. Social media, email, calendar. And next we can set goals, display, sleeps, active time, what you want to show or want to disable it. We can also get weather updates, info, feedback, restart, reset, FAQs, how to videos, mentor registration, and log out. In advanced we get lift to wake option. Just you can see no actions, and now see, this is a lift to wake. And 24-hour time you can set here. Screen timeout, we have 3 options: 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 15 seconds. And guys, this smartwatch also has a camera control feature. So that's all guys in this quick unboxing video, and I will pin the comment below regarding the battery performance after some days of usage. And let me know in the comment section if you want a detailed review of this device or you have any query about it. Leave a comment below. Thank you. Jai Hind.